Hi everybody, let's take a look at the practice problems that I gave you, and we're going to look at the first one in this movie. According to the Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA, the mean arrival flights at O'Hare Airport in Chicago in bad weather is 195 flights per hour with a standard deviation of 13 flights per hour. A new air traffic control procedure is implemented. We take a random sample of 35 hours and find a sample mean of 200 flights per hour. Test the claim that the mean arrival rate has increased from 195 miles per hour. Let alpha equal 0.05. Okay, so the important things to remember are looking in that second to last sentence, the one that starts out with test the claim. That tells us we're dealing with a hypothesis test. Then the number in there is going to be your mu sub 0. So the mu sub 0 will be the 195. And the secret words for our phrasing are increased. So that means greater than. So our HO is going to be mu less than or equal to 195 versus mu greater than 195 because of the increased. Okay, so let's take a look at the test statistic. We know that the sample mean is 200, the n is 35, and we have a standard deviation of 13. So you're going to have 200 minus 195 in the roof, over 13 over the square root of 35 in the basement. That gives you 5 in the roof over 2.197 in the basement, which gives you 2.275. So you're going to have, in step 3, you think about what you had in H1, and the symbol there was greater than. You also know that your alpha is 0.05. So what we're going to do is take 0.5 minus alpha, and that's 0.5 minus 0.05, and that gives us 0.4500, which is a probability. So you're going to look to the closest hit to the 4,500, and that's 4495. So then the z that's attached to that is 1.64. So then our if then is going to be if z star is greater than 1.64, then we reject HO. And since 2.275 is greater than 1.64, we reject HO.